Hi everybody, my name is Abel Marujo and I'm going to be giving a lesson on multiplying rational numbers. And so before we start this, there is a rule when multiplying negatives and positives, right? So the way we could differentiate this, okay, so a positive times a negative equals a negative. A negative times a positive equals a negative. Two negatives times each other is equal to a positive, okay? So for this first question, it's going to be it is going to be negative 2 times negative 4.5. Okay, so how we do this is we take the number and we just multiply them by each other, but see, it is two negatives, so our outcome is going to be a positive. Okay, so we might as well just multiply the positive versions of the number. So 4.5 times 2. 2 times 5, 10. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so the sub answer is 90. So there's one number that is behind the decimal place, so therefore there's going to be one, or our decimal is going to be shifted to the left one time. So our final answer of question 1 will be 9.0. 9 and 0 tenths. Okay. So for our next question, oh, by the way, for this lesson, I'm only going to be giving 3 questions for you guys. So I hope I hope you guys get a better understanding from these questions and examples I'm giving you guys. Okay. So for the second example, it's going to be, let's kind of go somewhere serious. Okay. So first we're going to do is multiply negative 1/2, or negative half, times negative 3/2 times negative 1/5. And there isn't any multiplication signs, but since there isn't any sign between each number, we are going to be multiplying them. And the way we multiply fractions is we just go straight across on top and straight across on bottom. So we know that these two are negative, so when multiplying 1 over 2 times 3/2, 1 times 3 is 3/4. Okay, so now we need to multiply that negative 1.5. Okay, so 3 times negative 1 equals, or 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer is going to be negative 3/20. Alright, that's going to be our last question, and I'm going to let you guys do it. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds to try to complete it, and then I'll help you out with it. Okay. So for example 3, we're going to be multiplying 6 times negative 3/4. Negative 3/4. Okay. So when we're doing this, we see that the numbers that were, or the denominator is a positive number, and the outside number that's outside the parentheses is also a positive number. So what we could do is we could simplify these two numbers by a multiple that could go into both of them. So 2 could go into both of these. So we're going to divide 2 by the denominator into it on the outside number. And we're also, since we're going to be multiplying this, let's bring the negative sign outside. So what we're going to be getting is negative 3 over 3 over 2. Okay? And so now what we do is that we multiply the across, or multiply diagonally. So negative 3 times 3 is 9, and that's over 2, so the answer is going to be 9 over 2. Well, I thank you guys for tuning in for this lesson on multiplying rational numbers, and I hope you guys check in for one of my future lessons. Thank you guys, have a good day.